Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 using just one command, even if your computer has unsupported hardware. This is my Windows 10 computer. After running the Windows 11 compatibility checker, it clearly shows that my device is not supported. Specifically, it doesn't have TPM 2.0. So, how can we still upgrade to Windows 11? It's very simple. Just follow these steps. First, download the latest Windows 11 ISO file from the official Microsoft website. Once downloaded, right-click the ISO file and select Mount. Open the mounted drive, and you'll see all the setup files required for the upgrade. Now, you need to open the command prompt inside this folder. An easy way to do this is, click on the folder's address bar, type CMD, and press Enter. A command window will open, already pointing to this folder. Among all the files, we mainly need the setup.exe file because that's what we use to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Now type this command exactly. setup.exe/product-server/compat ignore warnings/migrate drivers all. This command allows you to upgrade to Windows 11 without TPM 2.0. Press Enter. Click Yes. Then select Change How Setup Downloads Updates, choose Not Right Now, click Next, accept the terms. The system will now upgrade while keeping your files, settings, and applications. You won't lose any data. The upgrade usually takes about 25 to 30 minutes, so please wait patiently. And here is the final result. My computer is now successfully upgraded to Windows 11, even though the hardware is officially unsupported, and all my data is still intact. Thanks for watching.